Things are really happening in the garden. Here are some tips for success. There's a wide range of weeds like clover, capeweed, cudweed, thistles and dandelions that can infest buffalo lawns. Hose-on lawn weed killers are ideal for controlling weeds in large areas of lawn. And Yates Buffalo Pro Lawn Weed Killer has been specially formulated for buffalo. Roses and other flowering plants need regular feeding with a fertiliser that's high in potassium, as potassium is the nutrient that helps promote flowering. Feeding is as easy as sprinkling these pellets around the root zone every 6 weeks. If you noticed ants crawling up in your plants or leaves covered with a black ash-like film which is called sooty mould, it means you've probably got a sap-sucking insect pest like aphids, scale or mealybug. So I'm going to get on top of those sap-sucking pests with a pyrethrum and an oil-based spray. And once they're gone, the ants and sooty mould will disappear too. For more gardening advice, chat to our experts. Happy gardening!